Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Football League 2026 game not launching, won't launch issue or launching fail problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. So the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your Android device, and once your phone restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then the next solution is to check for Football League 2026 app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Football League 2026 and then tap on it, and if you find any updates available, then update it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check, and if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the Football League 2026 app and check if your problem is solved or not. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Next fix is to force stop Football League 2026 app. So tap and hold the Football 2026 app and then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear the Football League 2026 app cache. So again, tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to clear the data for this app. So again, tap and hold the app icon, tap on app info, tap on storage usage and then click on clear data. Now here take a note, clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to delete it and confirm it, and then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity. So again, tap and hold the Football 2026 app icon, then tap on app info, go to the battery usage and check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, click on system and update and then click on software update, and if there are any updates available, then update it and then just restart your device and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Turbo VPN, Super VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Brave VPN, Secure VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then select different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Football League 2026 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you're already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall Football League 2026 app. So tap and hold the Football League 2026 app and then tap on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, then just restart your device, and once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Football League 2026 and then tap on it, and then tap on install button to reinstall it. And once the Football League 2026 app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last thing you must do is to check for the Football League 2026 app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, down or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Football League 2026 game not launching or won't launch issue or launching fail problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.